That's pine sap leaking out of a tree. I was handling some other pine and I got some on my hand. And what I've found best to remove it from skin and or clothes is rubbing alcohol. Just put a little bit on rag. And just wipe it off. It seems like it dissolves the sap. I've tried soap and water, it doesn't work. On clothing too, just put it on a rag and rub it off. I've taken it off of jeans and shirts and different things when I've been cutting wood. But it works really good. It'll wear off eventually with soap and water. But if you want to get it off right away, rubbing alcohol works great. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And have a great day.